Have you ever wondered what lies beyond Bitcoin in the vast universe of digital assets? Welcome, explorers. We're embarking on a journey beyond the familiar territory of Bitcoin into the expansive cosmos of digital assets. The world of cryptocurrency is not limited to just one star. It's a vast galaxy filled with an array of dazzling celestial bodies. These are not just any bodies, but digital assets, each unique, each with its own story and value. When we think of digital assets, Bitcoin tends to take center stage. It's the first, the largest, the most well-known. But let's not forget, it's just one among thousands of digital currencies. Beyond the comfort zone of Bitcoin, there's a wide variety of digital assets that offer a myriad of opportunities for those willing to venture out. Now, let's introduce a term you'll want to remember on this journey: altcoins. An amalgamation of alternative and coins, altcoins are all cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. They're the other stars in our crypto universe, each one distinct, each one shining with potential. Altcoins play a significant role in the crypto market. They offer alternatives, innovations, and possibilities that Bitcoin does not. They allow for a diverse portfolio and opportunities for greater returns. But like all investments, they come with their own risks and challenges. The world of altcoins is as varied as it is vast. From Ethereum to Litecoin, Ripple to Dogecoin, each altcoin has its own unique features and functions. Some aim to improve upon the limitations of Bitcoin, while others offer entirely new functionalities. Understanding altcoins means understanding the breadth and depth of the crypto market. It's about seeing the possibilities of blockchain technology and appreciating the diversity within this digital universe. So if you're curious about what these altcoins are and how they function, stick around. We're just getting started. Let's continue to explore this fascinating world together. And who knows, you might just find your next stellar investment. To understand altcoins, we first need to journey back to the birth of Bitcoin. This revolutionary digital asset, Bitcoin, arrived on the scene in 2009, introducing the world to a new realm of possibilities in finance and technology. Its open-source nature, a characteristic that allowed anyone to view, use, or modify its code, was a groundbreaking feature that opened up a Pandora's box of creative opportunity. This open-source nature of Bitcoin played a pivotal role in the creation of altcoins. Developers around the world saw the potential in Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, and started thinking, what if we could build upon this? What if we could create something new, something that serves a different purpose? And thus, the idea of altcoins was born. Altcoins or alternative coins are all digital currencies that aren't Bitcoin. They're the offspring of Bitcoin's open-source code, each with their own unique features and purposes. Some were designed to improve upon Bitcoin's limitations, like transaction speed or privacy. Others sought to serve entirely new functions, from smart contracts to decentralized applications and beyond. For instance, Ethereum, one of the most well-known altcoins, introduced the world to smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation opened the door to countless applications, from decentralized finance to tokenized assets and more. Litecoin, another popular altcoin, was created with the aim to improve Bitcoin's transaction speed. It's often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, providing a faster and lighter alternative for everyday transactions. These examples illustrate the diversity in the world of altcoins. Each one is unique, serving a different purpose and offering a different value proposition to the world. They're not just clones of Bitcoin, they're innovative digital assets in their own right, each contributing to the vast and ever-expanding universe of blockchain technology. Therefore, altcoins are not merely Bitcoin clones, they're unique digital assets with their own functionalities. Now that we know what altcoins are, let's delve deeper into the different types of altcoins. We'll start with utility tokens. These are digital tokens issued by a project that provide users with future access to a product or service. Think of them like prepaid vouchers for a company's future offerings. Examples could range from digital storage space to access to a new software application. Next, we have security tokens. These are digital assets that share many characteristics with traditional securities like stocks or bonds. They represent ownership in an underlying asset or company. They often promise some form of dividend or other return on investment. They're a way of digitizing and tokenizing real-world assets like real estate or company shares. Moving on, let's discuss stablecoins. Stablecoins are designed to combat the extreme volatility seen in cryptocurrency prices. They're often pegged to a stable asset like gold or a fiat currency like the US dollar. This pegging mechanism provides a stable value, hence the name. They offer the benefits of cryptocurrencies: speed, security, privacy, without the wild price swings. Finally, we have privacy coins. These are a subset of altcoins that prioritize anonymity and privacy. They use various cryptographic techniques to ensure that transactions are untraceable and wallet balances are private. They're the digital equivalent of a cash transaction, where no personal information changes hands. Each of these types of altcoins, utility tokens, security tokens, stablecoins, and privacy coins, serves a different purpose and caters to different needs within the ecosystem. Utility tokens fuel project development, security tokens digitize traditional assets, stablecoins bring price stability, and privacy coins offer enhanced anonymity. But it's important to note that these categories aren't mutually exclusive. An altcoin could be a utility token and a privacy coin, or a security token and a stablecoin. The lines are often blurred, and the categorization can change as the project evolves and matures. Each type of altcoin serves a unique purpose in the digital asset ecosystem, and understanding these different types is key to navigating the world of digital assets. You might be wondering, how do these altcoins work? Well, let's dive right in. At their core, altcoins function using a technology known as blockchain. Imagine a ledger where each transaction made with an altcoin is recorded. Now take that ledger and distribute it across a network of computers, or nodes. This distributed ledger is essentially the blockchain. Each block contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the term blockchain. So how does an altcoin transaction occur? Let's say Alice wants to send Bob some altcoins. She signs off on the transaction with her private key, which is essentially a digital signature. This transaction is then broadcasted to the network, where it's verified by nodes through a process known as mining. This is where the concept of consensus algorithms comes in. Consensus algorithms are the rules that these nodes follow to agree on the validity of transactions. There are different types of consensus algorithms, like proof of work and proof of stake, each with their unique advantages and drawbacks. Once a majority of nodes agree that the transaction is valid, it's added to a block, which is eventually appended to the blockchain. Now, on to smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. They operate on the if this then that principle. For example, if Alice sends Bob a certain amount of altcoins, then the smart contract will automatically transfer the ownership of a digital asset from Alice to Bob. This automation reduces the need for intermediaries and allows for trustless transactions. But remember, while the blockchain technology and smart contracts provide a robust and secure foundation, the functionality and purpose of each altcoin can vary greatly. Some altcoins are designed to improve upon the limitations of Bitcoin, while others are tailored for specific applications like data storage, privacy, or decentralized finance. Understanding how altcoins work is crucial to appreciating their potential and impact. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep diving into this fascinating world of digital assets. Now, let's take a moment to discuss the value of altcoins. In the world of digital assets, the value of altcoins is determined by several factors. The first and foremost is supply and demand. Just like any other market, when the demand for a specific altcoin increases and the supply is limited, the price goes up. Conversely, when the supply exceeds demand, the price drops. But there's more to it than just supply and demand. The utility of an altcoin plays a significant role in determining its value. Utility refers to the functionality or usefulness of a coin. An altcoin that solves a real-world problem or offers a unique service can see its value increase. For instance, Ethereum, one of the most valuable altcoins, has a unique utility. It enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. Market sentiment is another critical factor. The crypto market is heavily influenced by the perceptions and attitudes of investors. Positive news can lead to a surge in price, while negative news can cause a drop. This sentiment-driven value is often reflected in the volatility of altcoin prices. Additionally, the value of an altcoin can also be influenced by its technological backing and the team behind it. A strong, innovative team with a clear vision for the coin's future can enhance its value. On the flip side, a coin backed by a weak team with no clear direction can lose value quickly. Lastly, the broader economic and regulatory environment can impact the value of altcoins. For example, Regulatory changes or economic instability can lead to significant fluctuations in altcoin prices. So you see, the value of altcoins isn't just about the price tag. It's a complex interplay of various factors, some tangible like supply and demand, and some intangible like market sentiment, and the vision of the team behind the coin. The value of altcoins isn't just about price, it's about the potential they hold to transform our digital world. With all this knowledge, could altcoins be a worthwhile investment? As we delve into the world of altcoins, it's natural to ponder about their investment potential. However, it's crucial to remember that investing in any form of digital asset, including altcoins, is not a walk in the park. It carries its fair share of risks and challenges, and hence necessitates a careful approach. The first aspect to consider when investing in altcoins is the inherent risk. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile. Prices can skyrocket and plummet within a matter of hours. As such, it's possible to make substantial gains, but it's equally possible to incur significant losses. Therefore, it's crucial to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Next, thorough research is key. Each altcoin has its unique technology, use case, and team behind it. Therefore, before investing, it's essential to understand what you're investing in. Look into the coin's white paper, the team behind it, its use case, and its roadmap. You need to be confident in the project's potential and its ability to deliver on its promises. Finally, diversification is an important strategy for mitigating risk. Just like in traditional investing, it's not advisable to put all your eggs in one basket. It's wise to diversify your portfolio with a variety of altcoins. This way, if one coin does not perform well, the others may offset the losses. However, it's important to note that this discussion is not an investment advice. It's merely an informative guide to help you understand some of the considerations when investing in altcoins. Always do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Remember, while the world of altcoins presents immense opportunities, it's also riddled with complexities. Therefore, a careful approach, thorough research, and understanding of the digital asset market are vital. Investing in altcoins requires a careful approach, thorough research, and understanding of the digital asset market. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for altcoins? In the ever-evolving world of digital assets, altcoins are poised for some exciting developments. The future of altcoins is shaped by a variety of factors, including technological advancements, regulatory considerations, and the possibility of mainstream adoption. Let's start with technological advancements. The blockchain technology that underpins altcoins is still in its infancy, and we're only just beginning to unlock its potential. Many altcoins are already pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, experimenting with smart contracts, decentralized applications, and more. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect altcoins to become more efficient, more secure, and more versatile. Regulatory considerations also play a significant role in the future of altcoins. As digital assets become more prevalent, governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate them. This can create uncertainty, but it's also an opportunity. Clear, fair regulation can provide a solid foundation for the growth of altcoins, protecting investors and fostering innovation. However, it's also possible that overly stringent or misaligned regulations could stifle the development of altcoins. The regulatory landscape is something we'll need to keep a close eye on. Last but not least, there's the question of mainstream adoption. Altcoins have already made significant strides in this regard, with more and more businesses accepting digital assets as a form of payment. However, for altcoins to truly succeed, they'll need to become a commonplace part of everyday life. This will require not only technological innovation, but also education and acceptance from the public. In conclusion, the future of altcoins is both exciting and uncertain. Technological advancements, regulatory considerations, and mainstream adoption all have a part to play in shaping this future. However, one thing is for sure, the world of digital assets is not standing still. The potential of altcoins is vast and the future looks promising, but as always in the crypto world, nothing is certain. Oh, we've come a long way in our journey to understanding altcoins. We started off by unveiling the world of digital assets and then took a step back in time to witness the birth of altcoins. As we moved forward, we discovered the many types of altcoins, each unique in its own way. Not just that, we also delved into the inner workings of these digital assets, unearthing the technology that drives them. We weighed their value, not just in terms of dollars and cents, but also the impact they have on our global economy. And then, we considered the many factors one should keep in mind while investing in altcoins, taking into account both the risks and rewards. Finally, we peeked into the future, imagining the potential and possibilities of this dynamic digital world. And with that, we conclude our deep dive into altcoins. Remember, the world of digital assets is vast and ever evolving. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring.